Right now, we have some breaking news for Gala Games because Gala Games has recently broken out of a key level inside the longer weekly time frame, which is absolutely massive, and that is why in this video we'll be discussing exactly why this is very big for the Gala Games price, what this means for the price action, and also what are the important levels to look out for, and much more. We'll talk about the bullish case and also the bearish case that may arise in the very short term and much more. So you don't want to miss this update video I have for Gala Games. So let's begin. Right now we are inside the longer time frame. We are in the weekly time frame, and as you guys can see, Gala Games has recently broken past this recent swing high, which is essentially showing bullish price action because first off, in the longer time frame, in the longer weekly time frame, Gala Games has put in a higher low, and now if we do see Gala Games in the next couple of days close the weekly candle above the swing high, then we have successfully put in a higher high, which is bullish price action, obviously. Now this is very massive for Gala Games because a break above this swing high essentially means that this will no longer act as resistance for Gala Games, because if we do close below this resistance, then it will definitely act as strong resistance, and we can potentially see with a high chance Gala Games get rejected from there and move back towards the downside. And that is why it is going to be very crucial right now in the coming days to see Gala Games have this weekly candle close above this recent swing high, and that is at around the 0.034 cents level. So definitely look out for that one. If you do close above that, that will be very bullish. But right now, by the looks of it, it looks like we are going to be successfully closing this candle above the previous swing high. So what are the respective targets to look out for in the very short term? What are my short-term targets for Gala Games due to this recent price action? Let's talk about that real quick, because if you do zoom out right here, you guys can see the important targets or the important levels to look out for. And we have this next blue zone over here, which is a supply zone, which is going to be acting obviously as strong resistance. So definitely watch out for this level, because by the time we do see Gala Games touch this level, I am expecting resistance to apply for the price, and we can potentially see Gala Games have a rejection and a short-term pullback before eventually breaking out and moving towards the upside, continuing the bull run. But again, just be warned, this level is located specifically at 0.059 cents, and that will serve as our next target if we do see Gala Games successfully close the weekly candle above this previous swing high in the weekly time frame, which I believe is going to happen soon. And if we do so, if we do see Gala Games close the weekly candle above the previous swing high, that's bullish, and we're going to be aiming for the next target of around 0.059 cents until 0.071 cents. So these are the two targets for the very short term. 0.059 cents will be the minimum target, and 0.071 cents will be the maximum target for the short term. Now let's talk about my mid to long term price targets for Gala. Now, I believe that Gala Games is going to be also entering into a bull run, and as well as the entire crypto altcoin market. Now, for the mid to long term, I have set my targets respectively. So right now we have 0.26 cents and also 0.3 cents. These are my mid to long term targets. Now you may be wondering why this is very low, but I like to keep things conservative in the channel. So in the mid-term, I'm looking out for these targets because this is where the next major supply zone is located at. Therefore, that will be serving as my mid-term target. For the long term, there is a chance I believe that Gala Games could reach back its all-time high. But again, it's all about probabilities. And right now at the moment, I believe that it's more probable we're going to be seeing Gala Games in the mid-term touch this target right here of 0.26 cents. And I'll be adjusting my targets respectively as we do move up in the charts. But for now, I'd like to keep my targets conservative, and I don't like to, of course, shill coins. But again, for the midterm, it's 0.26 cents For the short term, we're looking at a price target of 0.059 cents until 0.069 cents. Again, that's if we do see Gala Games close the weekly candle above the previous swing high. So in the longer time frame, we still have a lot of resistances to clear out. We have a resistance right here, which is a previous swing high. We have to clear out this resistance right here as well. Also some sort of resistance over here. Therefore, I believe that in the midterm, we may still see Gala Games, we may still see the price of Gala Games be suppressed due to multiple resistance levels located in the weekly time frame. But if we do smash past these levels, I believe that it's going to be eventually easier to move up in the levels. So that's the update. If you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.